I'm just gonna come right out and say it. We're gonna go swim with dolphins today. I feel like that could be shooting myself in the foot, maybe, I don't know. There is a spot out here where you can go looking for the dolphins, and that if they're in a friendly mood, then they will come and swim with you and check you out. And the water is so clear, and it's supposed to be a beautiful day, so even if we don't find dolphins, it's just gonna be good. It's unbelievably gorgeous here. I can't get over it yet.
Welcome back to Nomuka. It's a tiny, remote island hidden deep in the South Pacific, and the only way here is by sea, which is how we got here. That's me, this is my husband Jason, and this is our floating home about the world curiosity. We just sailed over along with our friend Cyril, who knows one of the local families. Meet the Sheens, Dave, Tris, and Dior. They hail from Australia but have sailed all over, raised their children on the sea, and set up this base camp on Nomuka 6 years ago. Now, if you watched our last video, then you already know all about the upcycled and homegrown lifestyle they've created here, complete with their very own castaway, ping pong training facilities, and swimming horses. Our journey into their way of life here continues as they introduce us to their community, starting with, hopefully, their Dolphriends.
Okay, dolphin swimming vibes, people. Dolphin swimming vibes.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. I wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah, keeping it exciting. Exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the
They're so playful today. They are.
Well, you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed.
There's so many. They're so quick. That's so. Wow.
So many!
Don't mess with dolphins!
As you can imagine, life on a remote island of only 300 people, well, it takes a village. And that's where we're headed next. Local police. Local troublemakers. Sessione. Yep. You want to see yourself? You want to see you? Such a ham. So this is the red truck.
Red Rooster.
Look at that.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that. Beauty.
Mechanically it is sound, but it doesn't even have a battery. So I'll show you that later.
That's the battery.
Right.
Luxury mobile.
This is Tongan limousine.
It's terrible.
Oh, it's pretty nice for where we are.
Long time.
Look at those wheels. It's proper. Proper. Are you driving? Where? Do you know where we're going?
Yes.
Yes? Where are we going?
Town.
Now hold on. I know what you're thinking. Forget the freaking Dolphins. The Red Rooster is a beast, practically an island rally car, and you're ready to set sail for Nomuka just so you can go for a ride in the Red Rooster. Unfortunately, the borders in Tonga are still closed, but there could be another off-roading adventure in your future because our friends at Omaze are giving away a vintage electric converted Land Rover Defender, impeccably restored by Himalaya. Now this 4x4 beauty has a 200-mile range, which means you're going to be able to do some serious road tripping. And one of my all-time favorite trips is Highway 1.
Now you can't tell me that isn't a view.
Fun fact, it's also the longest state route in California. And can you imagine doing the entire trip in complete silence? Plus, they are topping it all off with $20,000 in cash. Hello, fancy new camping gear to go with your new Land Rover. And the best part is, it's all in support of a great charity, the African Community and Conservation Foundation. And their mission is to contribute to a world in which people and wildlife live together sustainably forever. And they do incredible work to preserve important African wilderness areas and empower the communities living alongside those spaces. To enter for a chance to win the electric Land Rover plus $20,000 and support a great cause, click over to omaze.com/wins. All right, to the Red Rooster.
You know, my favourite part about the car is that you can see the ground when you're driving through the clutch.
Oh, it's like a emergency escape hatch.
Oh yeah, it's muddy under there.
Is it safe to step on?
Very nice. Only one way to find out.
This part just fell off and Dave had to do it back up. Are you going to go down that ditch?
I like how we're all into this and the kids are just like, it's just another Tuesday.
This is like highly illegal and uncommon where we're from.
Oh, same, yeah. But it's funny enough, like now showing my age, but it wasn't illegal when I was growing up. We all rode in the back of the truck.
How's it?
No comment.
I think we should go.
Gotta stay down to keep your head on. Never a dull moment. Oh, is this the coconut stop?
We're gonna get some coconuts.
All right. Good thing I brought my coconut getting hot.
Check out that. This is why they need four-wheel drive here, obviously.
This could possibly be the most popular place to get coconuts.
Yeah.
Right? The paths are too worn. This can't be a good time.
They're getting small. Just about like living in the country anywhere in the world, you know, or on a farm. Feels very familiar. It's just same but different. They're helping out a lady in town because her husband's not here. So that's why they're taking the coconuts for the pigs. The oven is for another friend that they're gifting that to. What else was back there? Other stuff.
Bunch of parts.
Yeah, you know, they don't go into town every day because fuel is hard to get and it's expensive. So you choose your errand days, and today's one of those days. Great to see you really pulling your weight, honey.
Yeah, you know, hey, this is top priority. This is second priority. And actually, hey, let me tell you, this one here is what we call sprouted coconut, and if you were to cut it open inside, it has like a marshmallowy little like foam.
No, it tastes like cotton ball.
It tastes like a cotton ball, yeah. I mean, but they call it marshmallow. Well, some people call it marshmallow. Some people call it terrible.
Yeah.
It's debatable either way, but
it's sweet. It tastes like coconut, but it tastes like eating a cotton ball.
Yeah, and it's fermenty, a little fermenty. Yes. Don't tell me now.
Okay, I won't say that. Yeah, sprouted coconuts are an absolute treat, depending on who's got the sprouted coconuts. Some people eat them and they think they taste like candy. I'm somewhere in the middle. Not terrible, not my favorite thing, but you know, if it was the only sweet treat you got, it would be pretty awesome. But I'd still probably choose a banana or papaya over the sprouted coconut. Personal preference. Don't drop!
More a matter.
Do you want this? Oh, crap. And that's how you lose a toe. Oh. All right. You want me to take one of those? You got it?
I got it.
Okay, well hold on, I'll give you 3 more. Finding ways to make money when you're thousands of miles from any major continent is tricky. They have to work with what they've got, and here, that includes coconuts. We are clearly not the first people here.
Did just tell you they get 50 cents each for the husk and put it on the ferry.
For the husks alone?
For the coconut
Oh,
husk.
yes, I gotcha.
So that's why the pile of husks there, they'll sack up the coconuts and send them down to, I've forgotten the name of the company, but they make coconut oil.
Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
in Tongan, which is a great thing.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll move along a little bit.
Bye. Picnic for one.
How many cars are on the island?
There's probably a dozen or so.
I don't think I could count up to 10 even at the moment. There's a blue one, a green one, an orange one that doesn't work, a white truck. That's 4. I don't know, I can't think. Oh, there's a yellow one. Yeah? And the red rooster.
And the red rooster. I like how they're all just colors. It doesn't matter what brand or what mark or what model or anything like that. It's just an island car. It's the red one, the white one, the blue one, the yellow one, and the red rooster, which is we're in right now. Oh yeah. Woo, that was close.
The tire was touching.
Oh, you got like 3 inches of clearance.
My eyes are wide open. I see you clear. My toes touch the same floor. Our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is the world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh,
Are they going? How many did you bring up? Oh, to clear.
your face tells me always losing out of space.
Oh, we are Angus. Oh yeah.
Onward. We're coming with you, don't wave.
Is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing?
Yes, seat 4. Nearly did that.
Alright, so we're on a mission for flour and eggs, right? And peanuts!
That must be the white truck.
There's an ice cream shop. And even though I'm not hungry, nor do I really want ice cream right now, I feel like it's an obligation if it's available. It is a very cute little ice cream store. They got your eggs. Woohoo! Look at that. Eggs have been gotten. Flour has been gotten. Sunday breakfast. That's right. Sheesh galore. It's gonna be fun carrying these. Yeah.
Woo, it's bright. So this is Sam's boat behind me, and Sam's kids are the ones that have been hanging out at Dave and Triss's place, and he's helping Sam with his boat. So it's got some major repairs. I don't think he'll be able to get it all done today, but he's keen to get it in the water soon. He said he wants to go fishing and catch another marlin, was what he caught last time, so cool.
He's so big now. So he's named Andrew. David's middle name.
Uh-huh.
But Andrew in Tongan is Anatelu. It's okay, it's okay. Don't cry.
Can you see yourself?
Who's that?
Andy.
This is Tutti.
Tutti?
Tutti?
Hi, Tutti.
Actually, we have chicken.
I'm going to put this on fast, Sam, because it's already heating up.
Yep.
So it's good to separate it now, and it'll go off slower if you don't have it in one big lump.
Life on Nomuka is like being transported back in time. It's a speck of land mostly untouched and disconnected from the outside world. The work is physical, and the only influencers are elders.
4 drums of fuel.
To be completely honest, we've met a lot of expats over the years, but only a handful who have put in the work to integrate and earn the respect of the local community the way the Sheens have. It's been an inspiration, to say the least.
Winner! Is it aimed at you? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, these kids have challenged me to a race. I think I'm gonna get whooped. Okay, here we go. So we start here, yeah? We'll go to the house? All right, Dave, you count us off?
Taha, ua, tolu, alu!
Good race. Good race. Hi. Woo! Bye, guys.